Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. Okay, so I was going to do a Bolo category video on Monster High and Bratz dolls, but as I was researching, I found something and I just kind of switched gears, and it's pretty interesting actually. So this is going to be a category video, but it's a little bit different, a little bit of a twist. I found a Goodwill store, and this Goodwill store kind of specializes in a certain area. Can you guess which area? Yep, you guessed it. Bratz dolls, Barbies, and Monster High. Okay, let's look at it. Okay. These items can be bolos, you guys, but what they're doing is they're lotting them up. And that's a clever way to sell things, but it's also a great way for resellers to source things to sell them individually. Now, as a reseller, you really are going to have to get to know the dolls to know which ones sell for big money, because you're going to see that these items are selling in lots for big money. So, all right, I'll just show you. I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, let's get the screen share up. And first off, I'm going to show you the Monster High, and they have lotted up the Ever After dolls with them. But let me just zoom here for you. And you can see that they're doing it by pound. So 6 pounds, and I'm in highest first. So 6 pounds of Monster High and Ever After dolls went for $360. 9.5 pounds. Now they do have free shipping, which I mean certainly is going to help because it's probably a pretty big box. But to really dig in and see what is in each lot, we're going to have to zoom. Now this one is only 4 dolls that went for $246.50. So I'm guessing that maybe one of these is a harder to find doll. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think as far as Monster High and Ever After, Bratz, and Barbie. What do you guys specialize in? What do you think has the most resale value? I have sold some of each. I have done very well with Barbie, of course. Some of the ones from the vintage from the 60s, I've done very well with those, especially some of the older clothing. But I've also done well with Bratz. Most of the Monster High dolls that I have found have been bread and butter items. But I'm looking here, and I mean, look at these prices, 175, 175 for 7 pounds. I mean, I guess if you take the number of dolls and you divide it out by the price, I mean, let's look at this one. Let's see how many dolls are here. So you've got, just sold something on Mercari. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. I'm getting about 35 dolls. So let's see. I'm going to get my calculator. $162 divided by 35. $4.62 each. But you can see, I mean, some of the dolls are missing limbs. A lot of them don't have clothing. So, I mean, I don't know. It's, I guess, depends on what the person buying the lot is looking for. I mean, if a collector is looking for a particular doll, they may be willing to pay $30 or $40 for one doll, and then maybe they'll sell the rest. Um, I don't know. If you're a collector, what is your viewpoint on these prices for this many dolls? I would be breaking it down by how many dolls are in the lot, and um, could I make money? So I don't know why this one is in this round, because those are not, those are like Disney dolls, it looks like. So you guys, if you're a reseller, this might be a good place to maybe source, if you know a thing or two about Monster High or Ever After. This one is okay. So let's look at this one, because it went for 360 pounds. 360 pounds. $360. I was looking at 6 pounds when I said that. So these are a little bit more fancy. It looks like there's a horse body. A lot of these have clothes. I'm sure that the dates also matter. Let's see, what's this? This says 2011, so maybe the horse is special. I don't know. Let's look it up. Would we call that a Monster High horse? So there she is. I mean, she only sold for, or she's got one bid at $10. So let's go to solds and click highest first. So we're getting into, I'm not really, I mean, I'm seeing horses. Okay, there's one that went for 25. Yeah, so I mean, $25 maybe would be on the high end. So that one went for, yeah, well, 30, free shipping. So I would say that that would be one that you guys should maybe be on the lookout for. 20. There's another one. So the horse with the girl head. Okay, so the next thing would be the Bratz dolls. Okay, so I know that Bratz dolls, I'm more familiar with Bratz dolls. I had a lot of them that I ended up, I had them in a lot, and people kept messaging me, asking me to divide them out and split them up. And what I ended up doing was just that, and I made more money by splitting them up. It was more work, but most of them were just bread and butter items, meaning that they were selling for between $10 and $20 each. Um, I was scrolling, I think it was Facebook, I happened to be, I clicked on something and it was just showing like random videos, and somebody was doing like, what's it called? Like a makeover, not a makeover, where they were doing like they took all of the makeup off of the doll and they were repainting it. And it was really amazing. They were rerouting the hair and doing a whole paint job on it. It was really, really amazing. So I think a lot of times people will buy these dolls and then they will recreate a new look for them. Customize them. That's the word. So, yeah, pretty cool, right? So perhaps that's what they're doing. And again, I am only in this Goodwill store, what I'm showing you right now. So, these all sold in this Goodwill store. So I don't know if they just happened to get a big batch of these types of dolls, or if all the Goodwills in the area ship all these types of dolls to this one store and then they list them. but it sure seems like they have a lot of Bratz, Monster High, Barbie, Ever After, and they also have a lot of Legos. So I was kind of browsing this store. So here's some of the Barbies that sold. And again, I'm also showing you guys this because I think that maybe you guys might want to mark this store and come back to it, because look how many Barbies. And there could be some gems. I mean, some hidden gems. You might be surprised. I mean, you really got to like click and zoom and look, because a lot of these are from probably the 80s and the 90s. And you really have to know your Barbies for those, but they are starting to they're starting to come back, you know. They're getting more popular, those pink box Barbies. The value is going up for sure. So definitely keep that in mind. So I'm just kind of showing you again, these are the items that are in look at this one. 9.5 pounds. It went for $87. Free shipping, you guys. $87 free shipping. I mean, a lot of these are they're like some of the Disney dolls even. Like that looks like Aladdin. I mean, that's seems like, I don't know. Maybe, I mean, you could probably make a little bit of money on that, right? I don't know. There's what's that one? The pink or the peach outfit. Oh, peaches and cream, is that what it is? I've seen that one go for decent money if it's new in the box. I don't know what it goes for if it's pre-owned. So again, I will try to remember to link the store down in the description of the video, but it is a Goodwill, and I'm going to show you the store name here in just a minute. But before I do that, I want to show you one more thing. Look at this, you guys. I mean, they just have tons. These are all solds from this one Goodwill, and they just lot all of their Barbies up. And it doesn't look like they're selling them. I mean, I put Barbie in the search. So they're not selling them in small lots. They're selling them in big lots. So, yeah. I'm wondering why I'm telling you guys this. I should be keeping this in my back pocket, right? There you have it. There you have it. Let's keep going. Let's see how low it goes. And what I like is that they do free shipping. That's awesome. I mean, look at that. We're getting lower now, because remember I searched high to low. Look at all these Barbies. That is a lot of Barbies. Those look like Disney dolls. Or that's is that Miss Incredible, or is that one of the kids? It's from The Incredibles. I mean, $51 free shipping. That's not going to be cheap to ship. All right, I'm just gonna go over to page 2 and see just how low these go with free shipping. Okay, let's see. $27 free shipping, 6 pounds. Look at that, guys. Somebody is not gonna like me for giving out this secret. Wow. Goodwill's gonna like me. Wow, wow. Wow. Free shipping. That is amazing. Pretty cool. All right. I want to show you one more thing. All right. Let me find it here. Let me scroll back up. All right, you ready? Okay, so these are all Legos. And again, highest first. Look at all these Legos. Look at these prices. And I'm scrolling fast. But these are all Legos. Again, do they just ship all of their Legos to this one location? I mean, it's just crazy. And now let's look at lowest first. And again, free shipping on everything. So these are the lowest prices first. So it looks like they're getting pretty good prices for their stuff, for their Legos. But, you know, if you guys know Legos and, you know, you want to part stuff out, you may do pretty good. I don't know. So it is Goodwill of the Columbia Wilmette. Willamette. I don't know how to say that. Willamette. Sound it out. Willamette. Goodwill of Columbia Willamette. There you go, guys. And they've got some other stuff too, but those were the things that jumped out to me that they really sold a lot of. So I'm going to go now and let me see. Let's look at ending soonest. Let me update here. Let's go to their auctions. Ending soonest. Ending in 21 hours. So here's some Barbies that are ending in 21 hours. They're 5 bids. All right, guys. So 2014 Mattel. All right, let me know what you think. Maybe we'll call this a secret place to source. All right, thanks for watching.